I'm your guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, we're gonna share an interesting recipe called Yam Rice with lamb. It's a two-step process. First, we cook the rice and then we make the lamb topping. First, let's boil the yam until it's soft.
That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me.
You can test the softness by using a skewer. When it's cooked, drain it and put aside. On a dry hot pan, put in the cinnamon stick, the star anise, and the black pepper.
All feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you.
Heat them up and then add in the cooking oil.
This is in no way funny. We will find our way back together.
Add in the garlic and stir fry a little.
Stormy weather.
Add in some onions.
Tear begins to fall from your eyes. It is the truth that you believe in tonight. I will be there with you even when you are alone.
Put in the shredded chilies. This is optional and the quantity is up to you. Add in the shiitakes and then stir fry till it's fragrant.
Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here.
Add in the yam that we boiled in the beginning.
A tunnel of feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you,
Now wet the pan.
honey. This is in no way funny.
Now sprinkle in some salt. Put in the dark soy sauce. Add in the oyster sauce and the sugar.
Stormy weather. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this.
Now put in the pre-cooked rice. This rice has been chilled overnight in the fridge.
Just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This is in no way funny. We will find our way back together.
Alright, after all the stir frying, the rice is now cooked.
There's stormy weather.
Part 2. Let's cook the lamb. Drizzling some oil into the pan. Place in the marinated lamb. I have marinated the lamb with chopped ginger, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, grounded nutmeg, and finally brown sugar for about half an hour.
That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me. Can we get out of this one?
Put in some salt to taste.
I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this one. A tunnel of feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This is
And finally add in some celery leaves to enrich the taste.
we will find our way back together. But right now, there's stormy weather.
Close the lid, simmer it for 1 minute and then it's done.
It is the truth that you believe.
Pour the lamb topping onto the rice and garnish it with some celery leaves.
Even when you are alone. And I'll be waiting here when you come home.
Okay, let's try. I'll take a small piece of the lamb with some rice and the yam, and then I'll pop it to my mouth. Ready? Oh yes, the lamb that I use. There are all kinds of mutton outside. What I actually use, because I have some leftover lamb shoulders, so I just soak it, and cut the lamb shoulders into small little pieces, and I make this. So this is actually lamb shoulders. So guys, if you enjoy what I've just demonstrated, do give me a thumbs up and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and in the comments tell me what you think of this recipe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.
Just like we got through everything else, but I see you.